Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary Ellen. Welcome. And today in this video, I'm just going to be showing you some of the things that I've been buying over Black Friday and even way before. There's been so many sales going on and I did pick up a few things, and so definitely wanted to share that with you guys. And I know I look different today, and that's because I don't have my, the falsies on. It's just because my eyes have been so sensitive, and so wanted to just free them of these lashes. I hope I don't look crazy, like I don't even know. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with one of my most random yet practical buys from Amazon, and I actually got a set of 8 glass straws, and let's see. One of them looks just like a regular straw, and the other has that curvature at the end. And I actually love these because I usually drink smoothies a lot, and just wanted to buy something that would be sustainable, if you will, because you can wash these and reuse them. And they also came with this little brush thingy. I would give you a better close-up that you can just easily use to clean these. So I just love this. It is just so practical. I actually got influenced by someone on social media, but I'm really glad that I got these because I'm gonna get so much use out of them. So I'll definitely link them down below so that you can get you some of them as well. And so moving on to the next section, I think it's just going to be some clothing items that I picked up as well. Just a few basics. I love wearing long sleeved crew necks and mock necks and also turtlenecks during the colder months. So when I saw these on JCPenney, I definitely had to get them. These are so nice. The material is so good. I think it's 100% cotton, if I'm not mistaken. It is, and I got this in a size small, so it's just regular, and it's a mock neck. So I think I'm definitely going to be wearing this a lot too, since it's a neutral. It's off-white, and I also got a similar one, but this was a turtleneck, and it's this beautiful navy. And I actually realized that I don't have anything like this in my closet, so definitely had to pick this up. And I think I also got this in a small as well, so these were definitely good essentials, and I'm glad that I picked that up. And then moving on to shoes, I think I got about 3 pairs. Oh no, I do have one other clothing item. So I decided to pick up this long black coat from H&M. I will show you what this looks like on the side, but I did get an extra small, and that's mostly because H&M sizes do run big, so I sized down, and I think it would fit good even if I do have a sweater underneath. I just love this so much because I don't have any long black coat in my collection, so this too I know I would wear to death during winter, so love that for me. And then for the shoes, I have this really nice brown, would I call this caramel? I don't know, it's brown, but it's got that pointed toe detail, and it was the heel for me. This is just so not common for booty, so I love it. And it also has this zipper on the side. It's very comfortable, and I got this from Macy's, and per usual I just sized up one size, so I got this in an 8. My usual size is a 7, and I love this. This is a neutral, so I definitely love that I added this to my collection because I don't have anything like this. And then also I got some sneakers from Converse. These are so cute. They've got that platform detail, and I think they're coming up as almost mauve on the camera, but it's in this really nice tan color, and love this for me. So actually initially I got another pair of sneakers from Converse, but I think I kind of got sidelined on the website because they said that it was going to run big, that I should size down, blah blah blah. I did that, and when it came, I felt that it was too tight. I don't know if my foot is too plump or what, but yeah, so I had to return that. And that one was not a platform, but this one is, and I absolutely love this. And the material on this is kind of different from that one too. This is like a suede material, and I just love this. I can't wait to rock this during the winter and whenever I can. And then the last pair of shoes I got were heels from Miss Lola. You know me, I love Miss Lola so much, and I actually realized that I've been buying this same style of shoes, but pointed toes are just so, they're just so elegant to me. And the color, oh my god, this color is so pretty. And it's also got this lace up details per usual. Heel height, I think, is about 3.5. I'm trying to refrain from saying that the heels are going to be comfortable, because I know that even after you wear it for a couple of minutes, your feet are going to hurt. But yeah, I got this also in a size 6.5, so I sized down because I realized that Miss Lola, at least these types of shoes on Miss Lola, run big on me. So I sized down, and hopefully, well, I feel like my feet are kind of hanging off of this, but at the same time, I don't want to wear a big shoe. So that's it for this. I can't wait to rock this with so many different outfits this winter. And now we're down to the last section, which is the smell goods. I recently picked up some candles from Bath and Body. When I tell you, Bath and Body has been giving us sales back to back over the past few weeks, and I've been trying to resist, but when they came out with their candle sale, which is the lowest price of the season, I had to buy. You know, I had to buy. So I got a couple of them, and I know this will last me a couple of months. I got about 7 of them, and I just wanted to quickly show you. Per usual, I got this mahogany teak wood intense. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but this is so good. I don't think I've actually tried the intense, but of course mahogany teak wood I have tried and I've loved. And then I got the, what's this one, the frosted cranberry. Oh my god, this one smells so good too. It smells so good, and the packaging is so pretty. Let's place this there. So that's 2 of them. And then I got another fall scent, which is leaves. That's it right there. And this too, do you see the packaging? And that is what the lid looks like. This one also smells so good. I got 'Tis the Season, which is like a Christmas classic. I feel like they've changed the packaging a couple of times. I love this one as well. This one never fails me, and one of the recent scents that I've tried and really loved is the Bergamot Waters. It is so good. It smells amazing, and it just feels like it has notes of mint in it. I don't know if it actually does. Maybe I'll put up the notes on the side, but this is so good. And this is actually my second candle for this scent. And then the 6th one is the mahogany coconut. This one too, I think, is a classic for me at least, and it just smells so good as well. The packaging, so pretty. I don't know if y'all actually fall for pretty packages, but yeah, Bath and Body always comes through with the pretty packaging. And then last but not the least too, I got the Black Cherry Merlot. It smells amazing. Oh my god, it smells like berry bubble gum or something like that. It is so good. Oh, it's got raspberry and cherries and Merlot. Oh, I didn't even notice that they actually have the notes on there. I think that's new, or maybe I'm just noticing. Smells so good. And yeah guys, that is all I had for you today. I feel that that was such a quick mini haul. I did also get a pair of pants from H&M, and I was gonna show you, but it didn't get here on time, so there's that. But I really love the things that I got. They're mostly essentials for me, or just things that I felt that I needed in my wardrobe. So loving them all per usual. But I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.